You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, as Jamaica's giving you another reaction? Woo! And today we're here with Crazyhype. Yeah, man, legend himself. If you don't know who Crazyhype is, you're going to go do the research. Big up top level boss. Yeah, man, the top level boss himself, man. Him change his name. No, I'm not changing his name, I'm just add on something, aka, otherwise call. You know what? Yeah, him change it. Him just put on something for his name. But if you don't want to know who Crazyhype is, I'm just dragging it down memory lane. Dance the Crazyhype, bust the Crazyhype, dance the Crazyhype, kill him with the hype. We not stop dance and burn up bad mind all the way. MOB squad, yeah, man. I'm same one, man. Yes, same one. Crazyhype is now an artist. Crazyhype has changed his career path and become an artist, you know. So the G just put out a work piece. So the G say, yo, my G. I'm going to say, all right, my G, let's do it. Let's do it. Like a jumping idea, it's called Look in the Mirror, LITM. Big up team top level also. Let's jump in the one and you with the GS, man. Let's go.
Yo, you know what Crazyhype I'm be again in here, see me?
True.
None other. I'm at to say in a life. You have to be careful of who you call friend, you see me? Bridge. And just don't see how when you win, you can't blame nobody. Bridge. For your success, and when you lose, you can't blame nobody for your fear. Life lesson. Just look at the mirror and be your own judge. Yeah. Look into the mirror if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, you better change that.
Facts. If you get up on morning and look in the mirror and you don't like what you see, change that Ross, you know. Change that Ross, you know, cause something wrong, you know. If you don't like yourself, change it, Ross, man.
Pull up! Yo!
Pull up!
You know what Crazyhype I'm be again in here, see me? None other. I'm at to say in a life. You have to be careful of who you call friend, you see me? Bridge. And just don't see how when you win, you can't blame nobody. Bridge. For your success, and when you lose, you can't blame nobody for your fear. Life lesson. Just look at the mirror and be your own judge. Yeah. Look into the mirror if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, you better change that. If life is a plane, you are the pilot. Yeah. And me no need friends cause it end with a end. So me stick to families and strangers. Yeah.
Walla no man. If life is a plane, you are the pilot. You know what the G mean? The G means that you are in control of your life. Just like a pilot in control of the plane, are you in control of that? Yes. Remember, F-R-I-E-N-D. E-N-D at the end. End. E-N-D at the end of French spell. So one day that Ross must end. Only salvation lasts forever. Grandma, they don't tell we are ready.
Jamaica's worst gamer!
Am I lying? Let's go.
Yeah. And me no need friends cause it end with a end. So me stick to families and strangers. Yeah. You know see friends sell out Jesus shop. Sell out everything in the major. Cut the grass, watch a snake, them a viper.
Yeah man, watch a snake, them man. Them venomous, them a viper, them a cobra. Them a slither around. Yeah, remember say friends sell out Jesus. Remember say them cut Jesus slippers, man. Cut in slippers fiend. So sometimes it's better to stick around strangers. Yes. People who are not blood family, stick around them. Because them same people, they can become family. It doesn't have to be blood to be family. Just remember that. Yes,
sell out everything in the major. Cut the grass, watch a snake, them a viper. Me say the pussy, them a styler. Man a hunt for the food like Pac-Man. No. Let's talk.
Oh, buckler. What a comparison. The pussy, them a styler, but man a on for the food like Pac-Man. Go play the game. Pac-Man, you see. And I say Pac-Man go around the circuit like this, you know. I pick up anything in the way, you know. That is the aim of the game, you know. Comparison crazy. Bad. Binds!
Me say the pussy them a styler. Man a hunt for the food like Pac-Man. No. Let's talk in a time for some action. The cake big so me want for me fraction. And if you try to...
Yeah man, the cake big man. Don't try to think you can eat it up by yourself. Pussy you will choke. You will choke. Don't try it. Share. Yes, you have to learn for share.
In a time for some action. The cake big so me want for me fraction. And if you try take mine pump action. Divorce poverty then me a money tie not.
If you try to take mine a bullet, a bind. A bind. Divorce poverty man. Run out poverty out of my house man. Come out man. Come out dirty girl. Come out. Me and money time. Why not? We are tying not.
If you try take my pump action, divorce poverty then me a money tie not. Every youth see the pre and say why not? Buy house and land, yeah me buy lots. Take
yes man, investment. Care and them thing there, bro. Care and them thing there. Value got depreciate. Them not big word, depreciate. Find a big word. Yes, care and them thing there. Value drop. Houses, properties, lots, build up. Apartments, those are the things that you need to invest your money in. Remember that generation wealth. Remember, good man.
every youth see the pre and say why not? Buy house and land, yeah me buy lots. Take trips, circle the globe compass. Take a look into the mirror like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Me see the truth and the lies, tiredness in my eyes. Me want cry cause life never easy.
Yeah man, take a look in the mirror like
Me see the truth and the lies, tiredness in my eyes. Me want cry cause life never easy.
Never.
Cause life never easy. Yeah man, that's why I'm looking at the mirror, dog, you see me? And just meds and know, say, if me win, I'm me feel I'm me. See him when I say it, yeah. Look into the mirror if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, you better change that. If life is a plane, you are the pilot. And me no need friends cause it end with an end. So me stick to families and strangers. Yes. You know see friends sell out Jesus. Sell out everything in the major. Cut the grass, watch a snake, them a viper. Me say the pussy, them a styler. Look into the mirror upon the journey. Life is a lesson, still a learning. That's a fake friend, me wish me know early. Family members were full up with envy. Couple crosses, girl, we never worthy.
Yeah man, some of them family members, yeah bro, them just full up of envy, dog. Anything. You can't believe say you and them a family. Anything at all them want to bring you down, them gonna bring you down, you know. I'll call police for you know. Tell police say you have legal drugs and gun for you know. Just for them take your spot, you know. How some of them girls will fuck me, wish we could have take back my fuck, you know. If we could have take back my fuck, we would have take it back. True. Never worth it. Yeah, true.
Family members were full up with envy. Couple crosses, girl, we never worthy. 7 fall, your time me stand firmly. When you're winning, yeah, the mirror look crowded. But when you're losing, you stand alone, lonely.
When you win, a real thing, you know. When you win, him say when you win, the mirror look crowded. But when you lose, scanty. Not bad, none of that. A truth. In life, you see when you win, you see when you're up, you see some people just there on you for what you can do for them, what you can give them. Them are things friend and things family members. You see me? You see as soon as nothing go on, them cut, them move, them scanter, them scoop, them gone. You're alone in your fucking misery, bro. You alone. So big up Crazyhype, bro. You talk better, you talk.
Look into the mirror like Michael. Me see the truth and the lies, tiredness in my eyes. Me want cry cause life never easy.
I'm looking at the man in the mirror. Look at the mirror like Michael. Bars.
Yeah man.
Bars.
Dog, it's a life. It's a bum buckler thing, you know, dog. It's a journey, you know what I mean? You win and you learn. But you never lose. Yeah. So me say look into the mirror if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, you better change that. If life is a plane, you are the pilot. And me no need friends cause it end with an end. So me stick to families and strangers. You know see friends sell out Jesus. Sell out everything in the manger. Cut the grass, watch a snake, them a viper. Me say the pussy, them a styler. Yeah man. You know, so I'm not really deal with friend no dog because FRIEND. That end with that end, though.
Yeah.
So now the end friend I go sell you out.
Yeah, man.
You see families and strangers, them are always help you for win.
True.
So you don't do it friend.
And remember, it doesn't have to be blood to be your family. It doesn't have to be your blood to be your family. Some people just come around you, like forward around you and just become like your family, bro. Like, I'm a bro that. Pussy this me, I feel this him, I feel this me. I saw you go. Yeah. Big up them type of people. Big up them people who have somebody around them that them corner. Loyal. Yes, man. Yes. Directed by B-Spurs. Big up yourself. Yes, man. Top level. Top level, boss. Big up yourself. Team top level. Big up yourself. Crazyhype. Clot me J. Far your forward from me, bro. You deserve the glory. Any glory you get right now, you deserve it, my G. Big up yourself, bro. And thank you for the support. Awesome, bro. You know what? People, that one I pin down in the comment section. Let me know what to think about that one. Go over there, go tell him. I'll be over there in the comment section looking to see how much I want to come over here. I'll be looking. Yes? So big up on yourself. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Boom, Crazyhype, big up yourself. Bye.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.